Hey, and welcome to Bog Brook Auto. Today we are taking a look at a 6-liter. I believe it's a 2011 out of a Savannah. This engine was rebuilt less than a year ago. We wanted to put it in our run stand, run it, listen to it, look at the oil pressure, the proof of life as we call it. And let's see what we have. Oh, nice oil pressure. What's that, around 50 now?
50, yeah.
Oh, okay. And I see we are fully up to temp at 197. It's everything you would think it would be, like I said, rebuilt less than a year ago. We've taken a look at it. We're going to clean it up and get it ready for sale. So if you're looking for, I don't know the mileage, it was TNU, but as I said, I'll post the pictures of the sticker where it was rebuilt. And if you want a low mileage engine, good God, we've got it. This would make a great engine for a swap. We will obviously include this standalone harness, as you can see, that's running it right now. What transmission came with this? 6L80, 6L90, right? Out of a, Savannah. We can do 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. Give us a buzz, we'll give you a deal. The number here is 207-261-1341, or as I put it, 13 for 1. And back.